Hi, my name's Dominic Berger. I'm one of the founders of the Angel Business Club, and thank you for clicking on this video to find out a little bit more about the club and what we do. I'm going to talk very briefly today about the Angel Business Club, why it was founded, what our aims are, how it works, and some of the key reasons why this is just such a unique membership club in the world of private equity. So firstly, what is the rationale? What is the philosophy of the club? Very simple. We want everybody to have the opportunity to be able to participate in, profit from, the growth of private companies. This is an area of business dominated by the big private equity houses, the venture capital funds, and normally is incredibly difficult to access for the everyday investor. So the club was formed to provide the unique opportunity for anybody to be able to share and participate in the growth of what we believe could be outstanding private companies. Simple as that. You pay a membership fee, and in return you are allocated free shares in companies that the club has invested in, companies that we believe have outstanding potential. Much like private equity and venture capital, the benefit of being a member of the Angel Business Club is that once you have those free shares allocated to you, they are fully managed by the club. There is a full oversight program that the club runs to ensure that those companies that have been invested by the club are growing, are managed, are being developed, are being actively developed. And that word active is something you'll hear me say a lot more about as you begin to know the club. But the key ingredient to the success and profit from private company investment is an active oversight regime. It is something that you do not get in areas like crowdfunding, and is absolutely unique about this club. Now, normally to access private equity or venture capital, you have minimum investment sizes, and they can be anywhere from £25,000 plus. But typically, the bigger ones, you're talking about £1 million plus. By having a membership club where we are all members, we individually are able to access those kind of opportunities because of our collective community. That's the simple reason why the Angel Business Club was formed. Well, the beauty of the club is the ability for it to invest in businesses and negotiate either discounts to fair value, or it involves in options at a certain value. So let me give you an example. Company A comes to the club and is looking for investment. We think it's outstanding. We think it's got great potential. The first thing we do is negotiate a discount to the fair value. And that is because we bring our collective community to that investment. It's not just the money. It's about you, the members, being ambassadors to those businesses. And that has a value. Generally speaking, we are able to negotiate a deep discount, maybe as much as 50%. The second key element to the club strategy is not only to invest at that time, but also to have a contract which allows us to invest further money in that company at the same price, but in the future. The whole game here is to hopefully see the company grow, and yet we still have the ability to buy in at the original valuation. And that allows us to create what we call the club treasury, which is a mixture of shares in companies that the club has invested in with various degrees of valuations on the way. And when you become a member of the club, you will become accustomed to the club's strike price. So the strike price is the fair value of those shares as determined by the companies and the club together, which are allocated to you for free. Sounds a bit complex and a bit complicated, but once you're in and a member of the club, you'll find it all very easy to understand. We try and simplify everything so it's very, very easy to manage. There are also many other benefits associated with being a member of our club. Of course, we talk about our community. We have a very strong community of business angels that enjoy sharing ideas, that enjoy events, that enjoy getting together and having the social element. The club also provides an incredible education program which we call the Angel Academy, a program of business webinars, a program of economic webinars, a program of webinars by thought leaders and business people in all types of industries around the world. The club also has a unique member-to-member market where you, if you choose to, can trade your free share entitlements with other members. It's a unique peer-to-peer market. There are so many different aspects around being a member of our club. So that's how the club works. And I've given you an overview of why we founded the club. The club is a unique place for you to get exposure to companies with outstanding potential. Companies that are private today, but over the next 5 to 10 year period could be the next big thing. I look forward to meeting you or welcoming you in the club in the future. Thank you very much.